Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to summarize a PDF using DeepSeek Chat. Before we start, don't forget to check out the offers right below this video. All right, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to chat.deepseek.com, then log into your account. Once you're in, look for the little paperclip icon in the chat window. Click on it and select the PDF file you want summarized, then hit open. Now, here's the important part. Your prompt. In the message box, type something like, "Can you give me a summary of this PDF?" and click send. DeepSeek will process the file and generate a summary. Depending on your PDF size, this might take a few seconds. And that's it. Once the response is ready, you'll see the summarized content right there in the chat. Super easy. So yeah, that's how you summarize any PDF using DeepSeek Chat in just a few clicks. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial.